Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python course. In the previous class, we learned about variables, data types, input and type conversion. Today we are going to learn about operators in Python. Operators are used to perform calculation, compare values and work with condition. And today I am not going to explain everything first and then show the code. We will learn everything by actually writing and running programs. So make sure you are coding along with me. And if you have any doubt during the class, don't hesitate to comment below. I will definitely try to reply and help you. First, what exactly is an operator? An operator is simply a symbol that tells Python to perform a particular operation. Let's take a very simple example. Before I run this, what do you think the output will be? Take a second and think. Yes, 15. Here, the plus symbol is the operator. It tells Python to add 10 and 5. Let's start with arithmetic operator. These are used for mathematical calculation. A equal to 10. I create a variable. B equal to 3. What do you think the answer is? 13. Yes, correct. Yes, we can do subtraction. Yes, 7. Here 10 minus 3 give us 7. Then we can go for multiplication. Here star symbol we are using. For multiplication, Python uses the star symbol. So 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. Here we got the answer 30. Okay, then we can do division. For division, we use slash. Notice that the result is 3.333. So normal division can give us a decimal value. Now let's look at one that beginners sometimes find confusion, the modulus operator. Here. What do you think the output will be? Don't worry if you are not sure. First we can run the code. Yes, the answer is 1. The modulus operator gives us the remainder. 10 divided by 3 gives a remainder of 1. Next we can go with floor division. Now we have double slash called floor division. It gives us the whole number part of the division. So 10 divided by 3 gives 3. Okay. Next we can go with power. And double star is used for power. What is 2 to the power of 3? Yes, 8 is the answer. We can check. Yes, we got the answer 8. So, plus is used for addition, minus symbol is used for subtraction, star symbol is used for multiplication, slash is used for division, percentage is used for remainder, double slash is used for floor division, double star is for power. These are the main arithmetic operators you will use in Python. Okay, let's see if you were paying attention. Don't run the code yet. First predict the output. I will show you the code first. Pause the video and write your answer down. Okay, are you ready? Then we can run the code. Okay, we got the answers 3, 3, 16. If you got all the three answers correct, great job. If not, no problem, try to understand where you went wrong. Next, let's look at assignment operator. We have already used the equal sign. Here, x equal to 10. Here, equal to sign assign 10 to the variable x. Okay, what will be the output here? We started with 10 and added 5. Okay, then what will be the output? Yes, the answer is 15. What happened here? First we have started with 10. After that we have added 5 to that variable x. I will show you another examples. Then minus. Here now we got answer 5. Then we can go with star. We got answer 50. Then we can go for slash. Then we got answer 2.0. These are useful when we want to change the existing value of a variable. What are the things we studied? Plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, and slash equal to. What is actually here happening? Here it is showing that x equal to x by 5. This is actually here happening. You got it? If it is minus, then this will be minus x equal to x minus 5. Okay, it is same for other all things. Now we are going to learn something very important, comparison operator. These operators compare two values and the result will be either true or false. Okay, we can go with example. A equal to 10, b equal to 5. Is 10 greater than 5? Did you got that what is this symbol used for? To check whether A is greater than B. Okay, we can just check it. Yes, the answer is true. Here A is greater than B. The value of A is 10 and the value of B is 5. So A is greater than B. We got answer true. Now we can just check this A is less than B or not. We can check, run. See, now it got false. Why we got false? Here A is less than B is the condition, but the value of A is already greater than B. So we got the answer false. I will show you with both. Okay, first one is false and the second one is true. Here A is less than B is the condition, but the condition is wrong. In the second one, A is greater than B is the condition. Here the condition is correct, so it printed true. Okay, here are the all operators. The first one is checking less than operator, and the second one is greater than operator. Third one is equal to operator, and fourth one is checking whether the A is not equal to B. It is checking that if both A and B are not equal, it will print true. And next is greater than or equal to operator. It is checking whether the value of A is greater than or equal to the value of B. And the next one is checking whether the A is less than or equal to the value of B. I will show you the output. Okay, I will show you the output here. You see, here first one is false. Why? A is less than B is the condition, but A is greater than B. And second one is true. Why? The value of A is greater than B. And The third one is false. Here is checking A equal to B. It is checking that the value at variable A is equal to the value at variable B. And the next one is answer is true. Why it is true? Here the value of A is 10 and value of B is 5. Both the values are different, so it will be true. It will be false when both the values are same. Then the next one is true. A is greater than or equal to B. The value at A is 10 and value at B is 5, so it is true. And checking A less than B, it is false. Why? A is 10, that's why it is false. Okay, I hope you all guys understood what I told you. Now here is an important question. What is the difference between equal to and double equal to? I am asking about single equal to and double equal to. Here single equal to is used to assign a value and double equal to is used to compare two values. This is a very common mistake for beginners, so remember it. Next we have logical operator. The three basic logical operators are AND, OR, NOT operator. I will show you example. Age equal to 20, print here we have two conditions. Is 20 greater than 80? Yes, here age is 20, so age is greater than 80. And is 20 less than 25? Yes. So both are true, so the final result is true. We can check the answer. You see, here the answer is true. I will explain you once again. Here we have two conditions. First checking whether age is greater than 18. Yes, here the age is 20, so it is true. And the next one is checking here the age is less than 25. Yes, it is 20, so it is less than 25. So both are true here, so the final result will be true. Then we can check OR operator. Here at least one condition need to be true. We can change the operator here. First it is checking whether age is less than 80 or age less than 25. And we can change this also. What is happening here? Checking age less than 18 or age greater than 25. We can run this. Why it is false? Both are false, so the result is also false. Here age is less than 18 is a false statement. Here age is greater than 25, it's a false. So here both conditions are false, so definitely we will get false. When we will get true? At least is there any one true, then it will be true condition. When we will get true? If there is at least any one condition is true, then we will get true answer. We can check this. Now it is changed to age greater than 80 or age greater than 25. You see, now we got true. Why? Here age is greater than 80, but here age greater than 25 false. That doesn't matter. The only thing is that if there is any one condition is true, the output will be true. Next we can go with NOT operator. NOT operator is just simply reverse the result. Means if the input is true, it will print false. If the input is false, then it will print true. I will show you one example. Print. Here true become false and false become true. So what will be the output here? Think it by yourself. Here we are printing not of true. So what will be the output? We will get false. It is just printing the opposite of true. Opposite of true is false, and false is true. Don't worry if logical operators feels a little confusion right now. In our next class, when we learn if and else, we will see exactly why these operators are useful. Okay, now let's use what we have learned and build something practical. We are going to create a simple calculator. Okay, do it with me. Okay, I'm going to remove all these codes. First, we are creating a variable num1 equal to float Okay, I will explain you the code. Here we are taking two numbers from the user. We are using float so the user can also enter decimal number. And then we are using our arithmetic operators to perform the calculation. Okay, we can run the program. How many did you get? Correct answer? Tell me your score in the comments. If you got something wrong, don't worry, go back and try calculation again. I will explain you again. Here we are taking input as two numbers n1 and n2. Why we use a float? Here the user can use floating point numbers. So we use float there. Then we use addition operator n1 plus n2, then minus n1 minus n2, multiplication operator n1 star n2, n1 slash n2 for division. Now it's your turn. I am giving you a small challenge. Don't copy the solution immediately. Pause the video and try to write the program yourself. This is a challenge. Create a Python program that asks the user for the length and width of a rectangle and calculate its area. I will give you the clue. What are the things we need? First, we need two variables, length and width, and one more thing, we need variable area. So total we need three variable, length, width, area. First we have to take input from length and width, then we have to calculate the area using the area variable. Okay, do it yourself, don't copy the code. Okay, I'm going to do that. Length is equal to okay, I will explain you the code. First we have created variable called length and we have used float. Why? The length can be any floating point and width also we use float. And we have created variable called area and we have calculated the area using the variable length and width with star operator. Okay, we can run the code. First enter the length. I am writing 15.6 and width I am using 73.5. Okay, what is the area here? We got 1146.6. If you got it right, excellent. If you couldn't do it, that is completely okay. Try it again without looking at the solution. Don't worry if you got the wrong answer. Try it yourself until you got the correct answer. So let's quickly recap today's class. We learned arithmetic operators like plus, minus, star, slash, percentage, double slash and double star. We learned assignment operators. We learned comparison operators which give us true or false, and we learned the logical operators and, or, not. We also created a simple calculator. And remember, if you have any doubt from today's class, comment it below. Don't think that your questioning is too simple. If you are confused, definitely you can ask. I will definitely try to reply and help you. Also, comment your score from today's prediction challenge. Let's see how many of you got all the answer correct. So practice today's example. We can see in the next class. Keep coding.